Hello friends, I am Santanu, and today in this video I am going to show you how to import AutoCAD file in the Revit files or Revit software. Okay, and as well as I will show you how to draw a stair in Revit software. So let's start with Revit 2021. It will take some time to open. So select new, then select as project temple as a construction temple, or you may select architectural temple, then OK. So first of all I have to do two things actually. Unit setup, for that UN, and then select length as the unit system which we used in AutoCAD file. So I have used engineering unit system in AutoCAD, so that's why I have to change it to feet inch. Okay, so select feet and fractional inches in AutoCAD. Then you can change all other parameters like this is volume, cubic meter, you can select as cubic feet, and mass and densities is also there. Okay, so you can change all other parameters for different results. Okay, at the end of the for getting the result at the end of the project. So now, as our topic is to import AutoCAD to Revit, so that's why I need to check this one, length is in length is okay or not. So this is adjusted, so then okay. Now the second thing is the label. Okay, so which label you want to import your drawings. Okay, so if you have labels here, you can see two labels is created by default. Okay, so 0 and 1. So if you don't have labels, or you want to create or adjust your level height, in that case you can go elevations, then select any views. You can see the default labels are showing here, so you can change their height. Let's say 10 feet, and if you want to add any other levels, and then just press LL as a shortcut key, then select pick lines, for example 10 feet, sorry 10 feet. Okay, and select. So like that you can draw the number of levels within this software, this window. Then go to level 0. So I want to import the file in level 0. Then go to insert, select link cat, then select the files. Here the file name is SAN, so select the destination, then select. Okay. Here you can see the place at 0 and auto detect import units, so that's why that is necessary to means adjust the units. Okay, then open. You can see nothing is shown here, so just double tap on your scroll button, then you can see this one. So now the next thing is that that the unit is right or wrong. So just select dimensions, or you can select shortcut key as DI. So you can see 5 feet 8 inches showing here. So let's check here, is it 5 feet 8 inch or not. So that means the import unit is okay. So now we can work here. So the next topic was how to draw stairs in Revit softwares. So before that I have to create the walls, architectural walls, because, and for that just select walls, then edit type, then select duplicate. So let's say 5-inch walls. Okay, then select family. Okay, so basic wall, let's say basic wall, then edit. Here you can see. So let's change the type actually, on basic walls. Wall, wall foundation, wall in pattern, okay, wall rectangle. Then edit, duplicate, then 5-inch. So okay, rename as 5-inch wall. Okay, edit. Here you can see. So just put 5-inch as structure. Okay, then okay, and okay. Now go to wall, select the point. You can see it is tracking the center line alignment, so just change it to the uh, core face exterior or interior. Okay, so here you can see the wall is going outside the outside line, so just press space. Okay, then click here, then again click. Okay, let's let let's see in 3D view. So you can see here. Okay, let's adjust the height from the elevation. You can see, so you can see here the elevations tag. Okay, level tags are not adjacent to the, okay, to the drawing. So just drag this point like this. Just drag this point. Okay, now you can see. Okay, this is actually unlocked. That's why. Just drag like this. Okay, so now you can see. Okay, level 2 is the wall is not connected to level 2. In that case you can select this one, and then you can see here top constant unconnected, and select level 1. Okay, now next go to the 3D view, go to level 0. So here we have the uh, plan of the stairs. So now go to architecture, select stairs. We have an option create sketch. Okay, then here it is boundary, riser, and stair path. So first of all I create boundary, just first point, then second point, then simply delete this one. After that select riser, draw a line over here, this one also, and draw a boundary from this point to this point. Select riser. You can use pick point option, okay, for creating riser like this, or else you can offset a single line, okay, according to the dimensions of trade. If you have if you know the trade size, in that case. Otherwise you can select like this, then select okay, stair path. So just select first point, second point, finish here, then okay. You can see an error is there in sketching, so I have to okay maintain a single boundary or a single loop for that. So that's why I select boundary, just continue the continue a single boundary for the stairs, then okay, then again okay. Now say in 3D view you can see, but the up and down is there is a problem in up and down. So then let's go to up level 0, then just click here, okay. Now you can see here, okay. Now we can delete the unnecessary railings. Now select the stairs, then select it to residentials, left or okay, or in situ stairs. So that's how we can draw a stair in Revit, and after that you can manage number of tread and riser from here. Okay. Just you can increase it also like this, okay. So that's all for this video. Thank you.